I know there are a few questions on how you access the pollen filter on 9th gen. So what you do, just open the glove box, tip everything out onto the floor as you can see, or it'll tip itself out for you. And then you just press the box together just here where there's a sort of solid side. You can see the latch there that holds it up. And the same on this side. So just grab it, and from both sides, it's a bit difficult for me to show you on camera. Just squeeze the parts together and then it will click and drop down. Then on the left side of the glove box here, you'll see this sort of damper support arm. Just give that a firm push and it'll unclip and the glove box will fall all the way down. And then behind it you will see all of these lovely gubbins. Just find this latch here. Let me use my eyes, I'll see what's going on. There you go, just push that latch in as indicated by the handy arrow. And then there should be one on the other side. Yeah, it's a bit hard to see with the light, but you push that in and then this entire part pulls away. As you can see, we've got one latch on that end and another on that end. So now you can see our pollen filter with airflow indicated, and just carefully slide that out. And right, we can grab our old air freshener. So I just put some air freshener boards in here. Just that gives it a sort of Maybach-esque fragrance system. Every time you turn the aircon on, it will blast nice fragranced air at you. The only downside to that being in the summer, if you bake the air freshener, you get sort of baked air freshener smell. So you can see there's quite a bit of, if I get my finger out of the way of the camera, there's quite a bit of soot in there. It's a fairly old filter, it's done 20,000 miles now, so you can see it's a bit, you know, gummed up on the other side as well. But I mean, you could feasibly clear that out. I don't know how well that's coming up, but there's some quite visible polleny bits. And then just once you've got your new filter or you've reinstalled your air fresheners, slide it straight back in there. Airflow arrow is indicated, so that goes straight down. And then once you've slid that back in, this cover goes back on. It's a fairly simple clip affair. It's very easy, just push it in the right place and it'll go. And then lift the glove box up, pull that back to clip on, and then give it a firm push up and you'll hear it click in, and now it no longer falls down even with pressure applied. And then you can get back to organising everything and putting it back into the glove box. Interestingly, just something to be aware of, if I pop this back off and open up the air filter once again, you'll find that right underneath this, I know some people were inquiring about fan whirs, myself included, right underneath this unit, if I can turn the flash on, perhaps, maybe not. Okay. And a second innings with a flash. If we slide ourselves in there, you can see the actual fan unit itself. I'm not sure what that hooked instrument is there. Just going to slide the phone in carefully as a periscope. You can see there's the body of the fan, the central bearing. Not sure what that is. Might have a go at getting it out with my fingers if I can. Fairly small though. Probably just some debris that's gone through the filter. But yeah, that's the fan. Okay, so I've just put the key in and we've got it in position 1, and you can see there's a fan whirring away happily.